tomorrow we are having a great match in Hyderabad City at the Uppal Stadium. Between 7 and 8 the match will go on. His time is given by Messi is that time, but match would be for 15-20 minutes. There will be clinic, then there will be interaction with some young players so that he will teach them techniques of the game. Then he has got a social cause that those issues also he will interact with them. In this program, we have made full-fledged security arrangements, and then 3,000 people will be on this job, and our mounted police, our SOT, SB, CR, and other outside wing forces all will be there in place. And then a lot of officers who worked there earlier, we have called them for bandobast duty. We already asked our people to use public transportation to reach out to the stadium. And then if at all they are coming by their own cars, we request them to come in process of carpooling so that there should not be any congestion to the people who are coming out to the stadium. We've already informed that the tickets have been sold online, and then no one should come to the stadium because no ticket will be sold here. No ticket will be sold at the stadium, and then no people should come to the stadium if they don't have a ticket already been bought by them. So there's a very important instruction to them, and then Mr. Messi will be will be having the Z category security. So he will not have any access to any people to want to see him from a distance also. So he will only come to stadium. So onlookers coming to stadium won't get the chance to look at him also. There is an exclusive entry for him, so he will reach into the stadium with the exclusive entry. So we are asking the people not to come to the stadium if you don't have passes, if you don't have tickets. Then second aspect is that the play will be 7 o'clock, and before 3 hours before that only we will be allowing people to come into the stadium. There will be some cultural programs 3 hours before that also to engage the people who enter the stadium. There will be some cultural programs. Please come on that. This is not a full-fledged match. It's only 10 minutes to 15 minutes match for interaction. Our aim is to get Messi for a full-fledged match in Hyderabad City. Then we know Hyderabad has got a great hospitality culture. We must maintain our discipline, decorum, and decency from the spectator perspective also, so that it will encourage the international top players to come out to Hyderabad and play here. So brand image Hyderabad, we have been protecting it and we should sustain it. Then we are also telling the people to not to get into any malpractices regarding these tickets and all, and then they should not jump one area to another area, go to some other place. That will be obstructing the public servant in discharging duties. If anyone violates the instructions by the police, there will be specific cases against them that will jeopardize their career growth, and they will not get the passport and all. If they involve in any kind of violent, in any kind of act which is violation from legal perspective. So we request everyone to have a very pleasant time, then see the match and learn the techniques which Mr. Messi is going to give to all of us. So just be there and protect the pride of our Hyderabad city. Thank you.
ताज़ा तरीन खबरों को देखने के लिए आप देखते रहिए फ्लैश 9 न्यूज़। चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।